Hello children, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and today we will be starting with question number 5 of exercise 8.3. So the name of the chapter is Comparing Quantity. Class 8, exercise 8.3. So we have done question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 8.3. So let's continue with question number 5 of this same exercise. Vasudevan invested rupees 60,000. Vasudevan invested rupees 60,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum. At an interest rate of 12% per annum. Compounded half yearly. What amount would he get? After 6 months. So part number A is after 6 months. And the second part is after 1 year. So first we will be calculating for 6 months. Okay, and we have to calculate the compound interest half yearly. So first we will write what is given in the question. Principal is given. Principal means the money invested, and the money invested in this question is rupees 60,000. Okay, now after principal, rate is given. Rate is 12% per annum. After rate, time is given, and the time is 6 months. So as we all know, the question is हाफ ईयरली क्वेश्चन. इसमें हमें इंटरेस्ट हाफ ईयरली बेसिस पे निकालना है. सो वी नो 2 points we have to remember whenever we are calculating interest on half yearly, compound interest on half yearly. First thing is time is double. Second thing is rate is half. Okay, so first we will multiply 12 by 1/2. हाफ कर देंगे हम 12 का. So it would be 6%. Now the rate is 6%. Okay, and similarly 6 months को हमें करना है डबल. ठीक है, अब 6 months means हाफ ईयर. हमें इसको ईयर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज हमें डबल तो ईयर को ही करना होता है. ओके, सो हम 6 months को भी डबल करेंगे तो भी इट वुड बी 1 year ओनली. और अब ये हाफ ईयर लिख के हम इसको इंटू 2 कर देंगे, डबल कर देंगे, तो भी हमारे पास 1/2 year ही आएगा. 1/2 year. अब ये हमने कैसे किया? 6 months को पहले ईयर में कन्वर्ट किया. 6 months इक्वल्स टू हाफ ईयर. ओके, एंड देन हमने उस हाफ ईयर को इंटू 2 कर दिया बिकॉज वी नो दैट टाइम को हमें करना है डबल. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ हाफ ईयरली. सो हमने इसको डबल किया, सो ये हो गया 1. अब 1/2 year होगा बिकॉज 6 months मीन्स 1/2 year, नॉट फुल ईयर. ठीक है, सो 1/2 year आ गया हमारे पास एंड रेट आ गया 6%. नॉट पर एनम. नाउ पर एनम तो 12% था, हमें हाफ ईयर का निकालना है. दैट्स वाई हमने इसको डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कर. ठीक है, नाउ Now we will apply the formula amount equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. Okay, now we have to calculate the amount. So principal is 60,000, 1 as it is, rate is 6%. So 6 upon 100 to the power n is 1. Why 1? Because we have 1/2 year. Okay, so this becomes our formula. Now amount equals to 60,000. This would be upon 1 and LCM of 1 and 100 will be 100 only. Okay, but अब हमें इसको into 100 करना पड़ेगा. So this also would be into 100 and this into 1, this into 1. I hope this is clear. Now this will be 100 plus 6. This will be 100 plus 6 to the power 1 as it is. Now to the power 1 तो 1 time में लिखते हैं हम fraction को. So this is 60,000 into 106 upon 100. 20 से 20 कट. So amount equals to 20 as it is. Now 6 into 106. So 6 6 are 36. 6 here, 3 carry. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. And 6 ones are 6. So we have 63600. So 63,600 is the amount. Now ये तो हमारा अमाउंट आया. What amount would he get after 6 months? So हमें अमाउंट ही निकालना था. So this is done. Part number 1 is done. Let's check our answer. Yes, 63,600 is the amount. Now we will be calculating. This is the amount. Let's write the amount here. After 6 months, the amount is 63,600. Okay. अब हमारा amount आ गया 63,600. Now we will be calculating the second part of this same question. Now children, the second part is after 1 year. So the principal will remain same, the rate will remain same. जो उसमें भी half year होगा because that is also a question of half yearly, and time would be 1 year now. So we'll write after 1 year. Principal 60,000, rate 12% per annum. So हम half कर देंगे उसका, तो it will be 6%. Okay. Now time is 1 year. So we will double the time. 1 into 2. That is now 2.5 years. Are you getting? So 2.5 years are gए. Now the amount would be principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. Alright. So principal would be 60,000. 1 as it is. Rate would be 6% and time would be 2.5 years now. ठीक है? So now 60,000. This will be upon 1. So this will be upon 100. So this would be into 100 into 100. Okay. And this will be into 1 into 1. So this will be 100 plus 6 again. 100 plus 6 to the power 2. So amount equals to 60,000 into 106 upon 100 into 106 upon 100. Now 2 times. Why? Because we have 100 plus 6 upon 100 to the power 2. Raised to the power 2 means we have to write this fraction 2 times now. Now 2 0 से 2 0 cut, 2 0 से 2 0 cut. So we have 106 into 106 into 6 left. So let's do that. 106 into 106 करते हैं पहले. ठीक है. 6 6 are 36. 6 here, 3 carry. Now 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 ones are 6. 0 6 are 0. 0 0 is 0. 0 ones are 0. Double cross. Now 1 6 are 6. 1 0 is 0. 1 ones are 1. So we have 6, 3, 12, 1 carry, 1 1. So we have 1 1 2 36. अभी तो into 6 भी करना है, right? So 6 6 are 36. 6 here, 3 carry. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 2 carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. 6 1s are 6. So we have 6 7 4 1 6. This is the amount for 1 year. The amount for 6 months was 63,600. And the amount after 1 year is 67,416. Okay, so what amount would he get after 6 months, after 1 year? So this was the question. The question भी यही था that we have to calculate the amount after 6 months and after 1 year. अब हमें इसको compare नहीं करना. Okay, so this was our question number 5 of exercise 8.3. Now children, let's come to question number 6. Question number 6 of exercise 8.3 says, Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after. He would be paying after 1.5 years. He would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is First, compounded annually. Okay, and the second part is compounded half yearly. So basically in this question we have to do this question by both the ways, by half yearly also and by annually also. Okay, so the first part is by compounded annually. So the question is, Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. Okay, so it means this 80,000 is the principal. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually. We have principal, we have rate, and we have time as well. But time is 1.5 years and compounded annually में हमें complete years चाहिए होते हैं. So first we'll be calculating for 1 year, then we'll be calculating for half year, and for half year the interest would be calculated by simple interest. We have already done these type of questions now. So first we will write what is given. Principal is given. Principal is 80,000. Okay, and rate is 10% per annum, and time is 1.5 year. Okay, so first we will be calculating for 1 year. Okay, so for 1 year we will be calculating 1 year by compound interest, by compound method. So उसके लिए हमारा amount होगा principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. Now principal is 80,000. So amount equals to 80,000. 1 plus rate would be 10%. So 10 upon 100 to the power 1. Now why 1? Because अभी हम सिर्फ 1 year का calculate कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? So this would be upon 1. So LCM of 1 and 100 would be 100. This would be 100 plus 10 to the power 1. Now amount equals to 80,000. 110 upon 100. This is the question now. So 2 0 से 2 0 cut. So we have 1, 2, 3 zeros left, and 8 11s are 88. So our amount comes out to be 88,000. Okay, but this amount is for 1 year. We want amount for 1.5 years. So अब हम half year का ही calculate करेंगे. So amount for half year now, and that would be calculated by simple interest. So simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. We know that. Now the principal अब हमारा जो यहाँ पे use होगा, that would not be the original principal. I have already told you original principal हमारा 80,000 है, but यहाँ पे जो हम principal लेंगे, that would be the amount of the previous year, and that is 88,000. So we'll be taking amount as principal here. Always remember. Okay. Now rate is 10% and time is half year. So upon 100 into 2 कर दें, because time तो हमारे पास अब half year है. In half में जो 2 है वो हम denominator में we can easily write. So this would be 80,000 into 10 into 1 upon 100 into 2. Now 1 0 से 1 0 कट, 1 0 से 1 0 कट, and this is 2 1s are 2, 2 4 4s are 88, and 2 zeros as it is. So this is 4400, 4400. Now the total amount. So first part में हमारा total amount कैसे निकलेगा? 88,000 plus 4,400. Okay, so this is 88,000 plus 4,400. 0 0 4, 8 and 4 12, 1 carry 9. So 92,400. This is the total amount for compounded annually. अब compounded annually में total amount आया 92,400. Now let's come to second part. अब हमें compare क्या करना है? Let's see. Our question is Arif took a loan of this is ठीक है. Find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. So we have to find the difference in amounts. So total amount of first part is 92,400. Now let's come to second part. Now children, the second part says compounded half yearly. Okay, so principle would be same, rate and time. Okay, now let's rub this now. Now in half yearly we have 2 points to remember: time double, rate half. Okay, so टाइम पहले रेट है, सो रेट हाफ मीन्स नाउ इट वुड बी, पहले तो हम यहाँ पे हाफ ईयरली लिख देते हैं. ओके, नाउ दिस वुड बी 10/2 विच इज 5% नाउ. सो द रेट इज 5% नाउ चिल्ड्रन. ओके, एंड टाइम इज 1.5 year, राइट? सो 1.5 का डबल, 1.5 का डबल इज, पहले तो हम 1.5 को नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन में लिख लेते हैं. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, so 3/2 into 2, so 2 से 2 कट, this is 3 half years. 1.5 year means 3 half years है उसमें. ठीक है, 1 year complete एंड हाफ अलग से, एंड 1 year में होते हैं 2 half years, so वो हाफ प्लस और कर देंगे, so 3 half years हो गए. ओके, now let's write the formula again. So amount equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 to the power n. यही होता है हमारा formula. Now principal is 80,000. 80,000 1 plus rate is now 5%, so 5/100 to the power 3. Up to the power 3 क्यों हुआ है? Because we have 3 half years. Okay, now this would be upon 1. So amount equals to 80,000 upon 100 हो जाएगा ये. Okay, this would be 100 plus 5 now. So 100 plus 5 to the power 3. Now this is 80,000 into 105/100 into 105/100 into 105/100. Now why I wrote this 3 times, children? Because we have 105/100 to the power 3. That's why I wrote this 3 times. 3 times वो fraction अब हम लिखेंगे. So let's cut this. I think 2 zeros से 2 0 cut and 2 zeros से 2 0 cut. Okay, so अब बचा 100. अब we know that 105 and 100 both are multiples of 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 as it is. Now again 5 21s are 5 4s are. Now 4 2s are. So basically हमारा हमारे पास क्या बचा 2 इंटू 105 इंटू 21 इंटू 21. नाउ 21 स्क्वायर इज 441 चिल्ड्रन. तो अभी हमें थोड़े बहुत स्क्वायर्स तो याद भी होने चाहिए. 21 स्क्वायर इज 441, बट स्टिल हम एक बार करके देखते हैं. 21 इंटू 21 करते हैं. ठीक है, 1 1 जा 1, 1 2 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. सो 441. नाउ 2 इंटू 105 भी कर लेते हैं. 2 5 जा 10, 2 1 जा 2. सो इंटू 441. अब हमारे पास एक मल्टीप्लीकेशन लास्ट बची है, दैट इज 210 इंटू 441. 441 एंड 210. सो एक जीरो तो हम ऐसे ही लिख लेते हैं बिकॉज 210 की का जीरो तो एज इट इज आएगा. नाउ 441 इंटू 21. 1 1 जा 1, 1 4 जा 4, 1 4 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8, 2 4 जा 8. So we have 1 6 2 1 9. So we have 9 2 6 1 0. So we have amount by half yearly method. We have amount 92,610. तो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट से अमाउंट आया था 92,400 एंड सेकेंड पार्ट से हमारा अमाउंट आया 92,610. नाउ वी हैव टू कंपेयर. हमें डिफरेंस निकालना है. क्वेश्चन में यही दे आर सेइंग फाइंड द डिफरेंस इन अमाउंट. सो द डिफरेंस इक्वल्स टू 92,610 माइनस 92,400. अब 92,610 में से 92,400 माइनस करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट 210. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द अमाउंट्स ऑफ बोथ द पार्ट्स, 210. ओके, so this was our question number 6. This was our question number 6 of exercise 8.3. So children, basically what we did, we calculated this question by compounded annually first and then we calculated it by compounded half yearly. फिर हमने उन दोनों अमाउंट्स को किया, उनका डिफरेंस देखा, उनको कंपेयर किया, बिकॉज इन द क्वेश्चन वी वर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ बोथ द अमाउंट्स. एंड अमाउंट्स हमने कैलकुलेट कैसे करे? इन एनुअली. First we calculate for complete 1 year and then we calculate for half year by simple interest method. And in that simple interest method, the principal would be the amount of the previous 1 year. Okay. And in half yearly, we have to remember 2 points. The first one is rate is half and time is double. Okay. So हमने rate को half किया, 10% था 5% हो गया and time 1.5 year था तो 3.5 years हो गए. So हमने यहाँ पे that's why we wrote here 3 and we calculated the amount by half yearly also. Okay, so this was our question number 6 of exercise 8.3. Question number 7 we will be discussing in our next video. Till then, practice all the questions, practice methods by compound interest. Compound interest may be 2 types, half yearly and annually, and simple interest is quite easy. So practice each and every type of question, practice all the examples of this chapter as well. And if you have any doubt, any query, please write in our comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video, children. Thank you.